Today, I share the best of myself with others. I have work I love and enjoy that rewards me with abundance in every single way. Today, I follow my heart and I am greatly rewarded. My work fills me with passion and joy. I love my work. I love that my work is making such a positive impact in the world. My work benefits all those who encounter it and more. My work is appreciated by all. Today, with every breath I take, I breathe more pleasure, success, and ease into my life. I trust that the universe sends me the best there is in each and every circumstance. I am abundant. I am worthy of being praised and rewarded for my work. I relax, release, and work from a place of enjoyment. I am excited for all the possibilities that today holds. I am fulfilling my purpose in this world. Everything I do today succeeds and prospers. I am fulfilled by my life and the work I put out into this world. My work is an absolute pleasure. I am always surrounded by people that believe in me and root for my success. I am filled to the brim with positive energy. I have full control over how I live my life, and I live it beautifully. I am free. I am unlimited. Restriction has no place in my world. I always receive unconditional respect and acceptance. My presence is always welcomed and appreciated by others. My contributions are meaningful, valuable, and rewarded. I am willing to learn, grow, and continuously evolve. I have fun and enjoy my days no matter what. Everything I do today is enough. I am, always have been, and always will be enough. My ideal scenarios are always fulfilled or exceeded. My efforts are always appreciated and rewarded. I am always respected and valued. I move from a place of peace, clarity, and wisdom. I trust myself completely. I am confident in my abilities and the gift I am to this world. am talented, resourceful, intelligent, and capable. Success in all areas of my life is all that I am available for. I am only open to the best possible outcome, always. My days are always full of incredible possibilities and opportunities. No matter what happens, I remain in alignment with my highest self. I love my life on every single level. I am so grateful for the many blessings in every single area of my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you.